New-WALLYS Tech Router Board DR6018-S is a powerful networking device designed for professional users who demand high-speed and reliable internet connectivity. This router board is equipped with a powerful quad-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU that runs at a speed of 1.8 GHz. It also has 2 GB DDR4 RAM and 16 GB eMMC flash memory, making it capable of handling heavy networking. The DR6018-S supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, 802.11x with up to 4x MIMO, providing faster and more stable wireless connectivity for multiple devices. It also has 4 gigabit Ethernet ports and allowing for flexible wired connectivity options. It is highly customizable and comes with pre-installed software that can be easily configured and managed through its web interface. Also, in terms of its original performance, it has been able to transmit over a distance of 6 kilometers. Perfect for 5G base stations and networking applications. Overall, the DR6018-S is a high-performance networking device that can provide reliable and secure internet connectivity for demanding professional applications.